That doggy tent. The cage is right there. That's where they put their food, and the washer's kind of covered up. There's a hole for them to peek out. Now I'm going to go under. I was on top of the cabinet. That is under. Foxy gets to go right there. Now she's walking away. Now she's going back in. And they have room to go. Either they go in there, then they cross over, and they go into the cage. Dobby's over there. And they have a room to get out, free space, and they can lay down there if they like. They probably won't. I'll go in the other way. There's Spot. It's another place to hang out. Darby just walked out. I have a shirt. And then I'll go where Spot was and Darby. And then there's another way to get in and get out from the cage. And then to hold that piece, I had the hanger. And then there's everything else. Pretty much everything's right. So, good luck.